As of Saturday, the China-Laos Railway has handled over 180,000 cross-border passenger trips since its international passenger service opened a year ago. According to the Mohan checkpoint on China's border with Laos in southwest China's Yunnan, 738 international passenger trains have been operated during the period, facilitating the smooth entry and exit of 183,000 passengers from 87 countries and regions.
配备了智能语言翻译机，可实时翻译全世界70多种语言，极大便利了民警与外籍旅客之间的沟通交流，便民措施，旅客通关时间缩短了39分钟。
The most frequent foreign passengers are from Laos, Thailand, Singapore, and Malaysia, mainly traveling for tourism, visiting family and friends, and business purposes. As a landmark project of high-quality Belt and Road cooperation, the 1,035-kilometer China-Laos Railway connects Kunming, the capital of Yunnan, with the Laotian capital Vientiane.
中老铁路开通之前，从昆明到万象，公路的时间太长，我2-3个月回来一次。现在铁路开通了，我1个星期可以回来2-3次，它当天就可以到，对我生意方便很多。